Hello everybody, welcome to my channel and today's video. Day 8 of my 24 days of Christmas Vlogmas series. I've got a little bit of a different video for you today everybody, and that's purely because life is life and I've had to very much at the last minute change my uploading schedule. So this is a bit of an ad hoc video. This wasn't originally in the plan. Before we get into it though, of course we do need to open day 8 of both of our advent calendars. So let's start with Look Fantastic first of all. And day 8 is right down here next to day 25. So we're going to pull this out and I'm not going to look, and let's see what goodies we've got today. Here we are. There we go. Right, what is it? Oh, it's an Eve Lom. Yay! Oh, fantastic. Is it the Eve Lom cleansing balm? It says it's the cleanser. Let's have a look. Yes, oh my word, fantastic. Right, this is a 20ml. If you haven't seen the Eve Lom cleansing balm before, there we go. This is what the outer packaging looks like, and there is the balm inside. I absolutely adore this product. If you've watched my recent 6 months worth of empties videos, I believe it was part 2. If I figure it out, I'll link it up here for you now, where I speak about this. It is my favourite cleansing balm that I have tried. It's not a cheap make either, so to get a good size 20ml tub in the advent calendar, I am very pleased about. That will last probably a good 3 to 4 months, believe it or believe it not. So, and it's probably worth about £20. So yeah, very pleased with day 8 from Look Fantastic. Now let's move on to Box of Goth. So here we go, day number 8 from our Box of Gothmas. I've been really looking forward to getting to open this one because it's a big chunky box. Before I do though, I just wanted to let you know that I finally had a chance the other day to actually go through all the insides of the Box of Gothmas, and I did sort of organise it into a bit better order, and I happened to find some little extras in there that weren't wrapped up, not got numbers on, so I wanted to quickly show you all. We got a little skeleton, dancing skeleton sticker. We got a little tube or roll of Love Heart Sweeties. We got some gin and tonic, is it cleansing hand gel by Bubble Tea. And we also got some incense sticks, Gothic Prayer incense sticks. There we go, isn't that image just gorgeous on there? So, 4 little extra freebies that were just hanging around in the box that I'd not noticed before. So that was a bonus, thank you Nikki. So let's get into this. Okay, and we've got this. It's the Feline Fine cat-shaped mug. There we go. Isn't that cute? I'm going to take it out of the box so we can have a better look. And here we go. Oh, look, isn't that cute? It's a really big, thick, sturdy, heavy mug. Yeah, with the tail as the handle. That's really sweet, really cute. I really like that. So yeah, day number 8 from Box of Goth. Something else for my cup of tea in the morning. Okay, so now I am actually going to leave you from this sort of angle, and I am going to go behind the camera and attempt my first sort of proper vlog, if you like. I know it's been mentioned a couple of times on some of my videos that you'd like to see my altar and you'd like to see my crystal collection and one thing and another. Well, I just wanted to let you know first of all, those suggestions have been taken on board, and it's definitely something I might do in the new year. But to start us off, seeing as though it is Vlogmas, I thought my husband and I have spent the weekend finishing off the Christmas decorations in the house. So So I thought I would literally take you on a tour of my front room, which is my filming room, so my beauty room, my office, my dining room, a school room when needed. It's a very, very multi-use room. So yeah, so I hope you enjoy this little video. If you do, please don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. That just tells YouTube that you are enjoying the content that I'm creating, and hopefully put my channel out there a little bit more. So without further ado, here you go. Here's a walk through my beauty room tour. Go everybody, that concludes the tour around my front room. I'm loving all the lights being up. It's so cozy and calm sat here in an evening. Anyway, so thank you for watching as always everybody. If you are new to my channel, the warmest of welcomes. I hope you've enjoyed today's video and you'd like to continue following me on this YouTube journey. If so, please do hit the subscribe button at the bottom of the page or the circular icon with my face in it, which will appear here shortly. Don't forget to press your notification bell as well. Turn it on to all. That way YouTube will tell you every time I upload a video, which under normal circumstances is around about 3 times a week. However, in the run up to Christmas, obviously that will be every day. So please do let me know all your thoughts, feelings and feedback in that comment section below, everybody. I don't, like I say, I do beauty subscription box unboxings, gothic and alternative subscription box unboxings. I also have a live stream on a Friday evening called the Friday Night Natter. That's 8 PM UK time. It's a virtual get together, so bring your favourite beverage, get yourself nice and comfy, and we literally talk about anything and everything in the live chat. We're all a bit bonkers, so if that seems like the sort of community you'd like to be a part of, please do bob over and say hi on a Friday evening. I also have a joint Facebook page with my friend Lisa from Authentic Beauty. That is called Making It Authentic. I'll pop the details on the bottom of the screen for you now. That's just another social media platform for the community to engage, converse with one another, promote themselves if they've got their own business, whatever. Of course, I am also on Instagram. Again, details will be on screen for you now. Please feel free to follow me and join me on Instagram. Okay, so I think that's everything for today, everybody. Enjoy the rest of your day, keep safe and well, and I shall see you in the next one.